This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional low-speed capability of the aircraft. Please keep looking for your left as Tolly starts knocking off some knots and flies by you at a staggering speed of just 120 knots. Here she comes on the left. He has engaged the burners of the beast behind the seat and watch him zoom into the sky with a high reserve of thrust. And now watch him as he positions himself off a split S for the last maneuver, the Spider-Man farewell. Tolly will now roll and invert his bird and bid farewell, Spider-Man style. Please wave your hands at him as he flies past inverted. Atmanirbhar or Saksham, which means self-reliant and capable. That is the message we bring to you through this beauty of a machine, taking in terms which all aviators and aviation enthusiasts understand all too well. As Tolly positions on downwind for a curved approach to land, let me take this time to tell you a little about the aircraft. Built by HAL, the Tejas is a single-seat, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft with a modern avionics and electronic warfare suite. As equipped with a full-glass cockpit, it is also capable of air-to-air refueling and delivering air-to-air and air-to-ground ordnance. A word about the operational employment of the aircraft. The Tejas is capable of operating at airfields at altitudes up to 10,000 feet above mean sea level and has been tried and tested in all types of climates, temperatures and terrain in India.
Boy, set me free, don't be so shy, play with me, my daddy boy, can't you see? You are the one I need. You make me this, bring me up, bring me down, play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo beat, make me this, brings me up, brings me down, play sweet,
And we have touchdown. After an exhausting display, it's time to head back to the pavilion for a chill mug of beer. And that's it from me at the Tejas commentary team. This is Timmy signing off. Shukran.